subscribe. Don't wear a white sweater when you're filming. Like, you got your girl looking right over here. It's your favorite girl Roya, and welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel. Yo, 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 welcome back to my channel.
If you don't know where that's from, you guys are living under a rock. And today I'm going to be showing you guys or showcasing the new Sylvia Gani eyeshadow slash highlighter palette, and I'm so excited to use this. Well, just to let you guys know, I already used this on New Year's and for Christmas. So therefore, I'm just going to show you guys the look that I like, or the look, I don't know. I really don't know what I'm doing with this palette. But
stop confusing everybody. This ain't gonna do a goddamn look. And thank you to my boo thing for buying this palette.
Just want to play with this a little bit more and show you guys on camera how I love this palette. So this is what this looks like. It comes with 22 eyeshadows, and yeah, it comes with 22 eyeshadows, and this is what it looks like. Oh my god, like, this packaging right here is gorgeous. Like, it's gorgeous, it's everything. So this is what it looks like, and this is how the palette looks like. Oh my god, I gotta do a close-up, but this palette is beautiful. These shades are like everybody's dream. So therefore, I'm going to show you. I want to like dip into like the purple shades here, just a little bit, no, a lot of it. And yes, let's get into this palette. Now we have the tape. Let's get into it. So the first thing I like to do is use some type of concealer, anything just to put on my eyelids, you know. So I'm going to use my LA Pro concealer, and I'm just going to put a tad bit onto the back of my hand here. And this palette comes with a pretty big mirror, and like this mirror is type big, you know. So the first color I'm going to be using is Rebel. And it's this like brown color here, and I'm going to put that into my crease. And this right off the bat, like, these eyeshadows are very pigmented, like, blends really well, doesn't take much, and it's very effortless to do. Like, you don't have to be sitting here for hours, unless you want to be sitting here for hours to do your makeup. But like, literally, these eyeshadows blend like a dream. Did I say Rebel? This one is, the shades are on top. This one is October, and now I'm going to be using the shade Sisterhood right here and putting that into my crease. And I'm going to start off lightly because these shadows are like pigmented, and you don't have to go ham. So we're going to go even darker. I'm going to take the shade Independent. Yes, for all my independent people out there. So we're going to use Independent. And I'm going to use that shade and leave it lower than the rest of them. I'm not going as high up as I did for the shade October and Sisterhood. I'm gonna keep it more lower. And I don't know, purples on brown eyes make brown eyes pop. you'll be popping, like your eyes be popping with the color purple. Now that we have that on, we're going to take Wild Child in this purple shimmer shade and put that into the crease. And it gives off like a purple pinkish color, and it's so pretty. Now we're going to take Unapologetic. Yeah, I said that right. Unapologetic. And it's like this black shade. And I'm going to put that in the inner corner, just to deepen it up just a little. Now I'm going to take like a flat brush and I'm going to use Opal. I'm going to mix Opal and Libra together, these two highlighter shades, and put it in my inner corner. Next I'm going to take this Sephora eyeliner here, and I'm going to just do a little baby wing. Now I'm going to take off that tape here. We did have a little bit of fallout, but nothing too crazy. So I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and wipe that away. Next I'm going to do my lower lash line, and I'm going to use that shade Independent and just put that on my lower lash line. Next I'm going to put on some lashes. And I'm just going to add a little bit more of that Wild Child shade and put that onto my crease just to add a little bit more. And there we go, there we go. So I'm just going to run through the rest of the face look, and I'll be right back to tell you my final thoughts on this palette.
So okay guys, so right now I'm using my Fenty Beauty primer here. Next I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty as well. This is the foundation, and I'm in the shade 340, and I'm just going to blend that into my skin. Blending is key, guys. Still blending. This usually takes me forever to blend. Still blending. Next I'm going to be using my Maybelline Better Skin Concealer, and this is in the shade Light. And then I'm going to blend that out too. So I put it underneath my eyes, my Cupid's bow, my nose area, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. And then I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution concealer just to tone that light color down just a little bit. And next I'm using my Kat Von D contour kit. Like, I use this in every video. This is one of my favorite things to use, contour. Like, I just love this. And you know, just contour my cheeks and my forehead. Next I'm going to be using my Shop Miss A powder here well, not powder, blush. And then I'm going to be using my True Match. I couldn't get it. My True Match foundation powder. This all over my face, and then I'm going to use, you know, my e.l.f. pencil, fill in my eyebrows. Fill them in, girl. Fill them in.
So for the fun part, I'm going to mix Libra and Opal as a highlighter. Ooh. Yes. I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. Oh yeah. Can't tell me this highlighter isn't beaming. Woo. Alrighty. Add a little bit more lip gloss. So, recommend rule number 1, don't wear a white sweater when you're trying to film. But overall, this look is, I'm slaying. Like this look got me feeling good, girl. So, my final thoughts on this palette is it blends like a dream. It's easy to work with. The pigmentation is there. All the way there. Like, it's really good. It's a good palette. Like, overall, I would recommend you guys go out and buy it. Because it is good. I do like the highlighter shades in here. Like, the highlighter shades is good. I feel like it would work for all skin. Whoa, I almost dropped the palette. I feel like it would work for all skin, you know, complexions. So yeah, I overall love the palette, and yes, thank you Sylvia for making this bomb palette, girl. Like, you got your girl looking right over here. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't wear a white sweater when you're filming, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.